Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth system in this Mercedes Benz. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is switched on, and then from any screen we go to telephone. You'll see here connect device, so you have to knock it back towards you. It's gone on to options now, connect device, click connect device, and then search for phones. So click that. Before starting search, ensure your phone is switched on, Bluetooth's activated and your device is visible. Yeah, all that. So we just turn it to the right and click on start search. It's now looking for a phone. It's found my phone already. So turn the selector, highlight the phone you want to, click on it. It's now, there you go. Does passkey 913550 match? Yes, it does. So click pair there and click yes to accept. That's it done. I don't want it to allow my favorites and contacts to sync, but you would. So that's it done.